when I was about 8 or 9. I remember being in the car with my brother, my mom, my dad. I drove past MSD downtown, and I said I want to work there one day. I don't know why I said it, but then it came true.
My name is Brian Johnston. I'm a maintenance mechanic.
My name is Sophia Wilson. I'm a maintenance mechanic too.
We do repair and maintenance to the systems that keep the wastewater treatment plant going.
I mean, there's tons of things that can happen without having a good running sewage system.
We help to protect the water that we put back into the river by taking out the bacteria and the pathogens and other things that cause disease, also other pollutants.
From feces to tissue to paper to whatever you flush, we've seen it. So we have to get all of that out and be able to purify it as best as we can to put it back into the river.
It makes me happy to know that I can help in the community, and it's also very fulfilling to work in civil service. When you start out, you go through 2 years of school at Rankin.
You get tested after each class just to make sure you're comprehending and you're excelling in those classes.
And they'll also have on-the-job training for that time period as well.
Continue to learn and build and grow, and then from there you become a journeyman within 2.5 years of training, and you get people under you now that you have to train and work together every day.
We have 5 maintenance mechanics here at Missouri River Treatment Plant, and we are all given an equal amount of work. The camaraderie is great. The guys I work with are really good, and I do look forward to working with them every day. When we do our job here and we do the PMs and we do the checks and we clean things and maintain things regularly, it helps the plant to run efficiently. We have fewer breakdowns, our parts last longer, and for the wastewater treatment to continue as it should.
And make sure that everyone's system is running smooth and clean and top notch. I'm proud to say I'm an MSD employee.